In this series, we will do meditation exercises through Vincent van Gogh's masterpieces. Have you ever tried meditating? Meditation can provide inner peace and help against stress. In addition, it can be practiced almost everywhere. For example, on the train, at work, or at home. Come and sit down comfortably. Place both feet on the ground. Straighten your back and relax your shoulders. Let's get started. Are you comfortable? Can you feel your feet on the ground? Are your shoulders relaxed? Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. In front of you, you can see a painting by Vincent van Gogh. Vincent painted it in the summer of 1889. It depicts a corner of the garden of the psychiatric institution in Saint-Rémy. He chose to go there himself because he wasn't feeling very well mentally. Now shift your attention to the painting. Try to look at the painting without judgment. You don't have to find it beautiful or ugly or well executed. You only have to look. Let your eyes wander. Let the image sink in. At first glance, you may see nothing more than some tree trunks with proliferating ivy and spots of light on the ground. But if you zoom in on this painting, you mainly see a sea of loose brushstrokes. Most of them are short and surprisingly multicolored. Only the contours of the tree trunks consist out of longer strokes. Just keep looking. If it feels good, you can close your eyes or gently look through your eyelashes. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Imagine that you are standing in a garden too. The weather is exactly right. Not too hot, not too cold. Maybe you feel a soft breeze on your skin. Slowly, you walk through the garden. Then find a seat somewhere. It could be on the grass or on a bench. You keep on breathing in and out through your nose and listening to the sounds around you in the garden. Maybe you hear the chirping of the birds or the rustling of the leaves. Maybe you feel the grass or the warmth of the sun on your skin. You don't have to do anything at all. Just sit in this garden. See if you can stay focused on the garden. If you notice that your mind is wandering off, that's okay. Then kindly try to bring it back to the garden. Back to yourself, back to your breathing. Keep breathing in and out. If your eyes were closed, open them slowly. Your gaze stays soft. Let the image of the painting in front of you calmly sink in again. Can you see the loose brushstrokes and the diversity in colors? Slowly follow the brushstrokes with your eyes. The thick blobs, the light and dark touches of color. Try to look without judgment. Breathe in and breathe out. Now slowly focus your attention on your surroundings. Maybe you feel the need to stretch or move your body. Do what feels good to you in this moment. Again, breathe in deeply through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. How did it feel for you? Thank yourself for the attention and the moment of peace that you gave yourself.